passion, knowledge, tradition, and human intelligence, together with the strength of the machine, are the philosophy of ORT Italia. Founded in 1964 by Luciano and Paolo Cavagnoli, ORT Italia produced more than 4,000 machines, installed all around the world. Our brand designed the world's first 3-slides machine, managed by hydraulic movements, going on in the following decades with more and more important innovations, such as the use of servo motors, CNC technology, expanding the machine's range, asserting ORT Italia trademark in the world as a sign of quality and reliability. The trademark has been acquired in 2013 by the company Jam Jovis of Mr. Franco Mizzotti to realize a strong synergy between the two companies. With the new ownership and a team of technicians with experience in designing of machines, and a great impulse to the innovation and development has been realized with the achievement of the new rolling machine series, Evolution. The final result is a new range of machines with a fully redesigned strong frame, a fully automatic machine setup, and high-precise adjustment solutions to satisfy the ever more strict requirements of our customers. The new projects have been developed to fulfill every request of automation, flexibility, and customization through the wide experience of ORT Italia. Our R&D department is always studying new solutions to increase the use of rolling process instead of the most traditional process of machining. Analyzing the customer requests with our technical confidence, creativity and know-how, ORT Italia is developing new machines and production lines, becoming one of the worldwide leaders of the thread and profile rolling technology. All of these innovative systems, together with the extraordinary history of our company, allows us to say that ORT Italia machine is the best solution for rolling process for more than 50 years. ORT Italia, a history made of future, the only one since 1964.